What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire is located and how to remove it, as well as where the jack, the lug nut wrench, and the tools you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2021 Toyota Highlander. So the spare tire is located up underneath the rear of the vehicle. You can see a shot of it there. In order to get it down, there's a few tools that we'll need to remove. So I'm looking in the rear of the vehicle. I have the back hatch open. And if your third row is not already down, go ahead and lay that down. And we'll come in here. If yours has as mat as this one does, you'll need to pick up on that. Then we see this tab right here. We'll pick up this lid. Flip that back. The jack is going to be located behind this panel right here. There's these two clips that you need to push down. And then that panel will pull off. And we see our jack right here. It's just held on by this rubber band with this hook. Unhook that, and then you can pull the jack out. If we take a look over here, we're going to use all three of these pieces to crank the spare tire down. But this piece here will also be the lug nut wrench. And this piece here will also be the handle for the jack. And then we also need to grab this piece. If we take a look over here on the passenger side, we see this round piece. It's just a cap. Go ahead and pull that off. Then we'll take this piece and we'll put it on this nut like that. Now what we need to do is grab the handle for the jack, and we're going to put this curved piece right here through that circle right there. So we'll hook that on there like that. Then we're going to grab the lug nut wrench. And if you notice in this lug nut wrench, there's kind of a square cutout. That square cutout's going to fit over the end of this like that. And there's a little pin right there that you'll need to push in order to let that slide down. Once you have that on there like that, what we're going to do is crank it counterclockwise. And as we do that, it's lowering the tire below. Once you feel it hit the ground, crank yourself out just a little bit more slack, and then we'll take a closer look at how to get this tire off. In order to get the spare tire off this cable, what we need to do is pick up on the tire, and then there's this piece right here that slides up, and then we need to feed that through the center of the tire, and then we'll grab this piece and feed that through the center of the tire. And now the spare tire is free. So we have our spare tire free. We looked at where the jack and the lug nut wrench were in the previous shots. That should be everything you need in order to change your tire. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.